Greetings, woke gang, wannabe woke gang, conscious gang, black and conscious, queer gang, 420 gang, knowledge seekers, light workers, witch talk, spell makers, hiccup players, loloche, as long as whole light waking, right? We're not going against each other, all of us, right? Love all around, dumelang thokozani sanbonani, lesedi makosini. All right, so I'm just visiting. Yeah, real life, your life. So, I saw an interesting question and I thought, okay, maybe I can provide like a 2-minute answer or 2-minute contribution, Nyana, right? So they ask melanin, right? So we're not going to get into the 666 element to it, right? So why some people refer to themselves as gods, which annoys some people. Hey, Lena Luba weird, what's it? Why Liba annoying? Why about to refer to as gods? So, because we are closest to nature, rona batho ba Sotho. Sotho? Get it? Yeah. So, have you heard the terms of like how dark skinned? Babari umuntu ibilo motala. Basotho litlang correct. I'm busy corrupting a language here. And then kaSizulu who twing konje ulhlaza. Yeah, I'm correcting the pronunciation. Yeah, it's a bit off, but yeah, I hope message ya deliver. So, so because we are one with nature, right, which is my true God, for now, right? Well, one with God, we are one with nature. So, a tree, for example, the chlorophyll that gives it the green color. Have you ever seen a newborn baby? Oh, Shab, if you have a newborn baby lying around, okay, not lying around, look at their backs here. So this is something I noticed when I was a child, right? This green mark here, ever thought of it? So that is our original color as Hue, Hue, men. Hue beings, HueBeings, let's say HueBeings. So that is our original color, and because things have progressed and we're even eating seedless grapes, people are asking for seedless grapes. Other people also have issues with that. Why do we tell people to not eat seedless stuff? But anyway, on another day. So melanin. You know the saying, as above, so below, as within, so without. So that is why some of us refer to ourselves as gods. We are like one with nature. All right, we'll unpack it some more. Bye.